you guys for tuning in. My good name is Triple M Favored from Gekeno TV, and I'm here courtesy of Malindi Shamba Solutions to share with you some exciting news about our plots at Mizaini Acres. So here I am, is just 45 minutes drive from Malindi CBD. Our plots are for agricultural use where you can plant cassavas, pineapples, watermelons and bananas. So guys, today I just want to take you through our plots where 1 acre plot goes for 160,000 Kenya shillings, and we as Malindi Shamba Solutions, we strive to make sure that we accommodate every client where we give you a flexible payment plan. If you pay a deposit of 20,000 Kenya shillings, the rest you can pay within a duration of 4 months. What are you waiting for? Invest with us. There it is. We have water and electricity available, and cassavas, watermelons, they're doing very well here at Mizaini Acres. Invest with us today, and we always say Malindi Shamba Solutions, we promise and deliver. Let's guide you home.